Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with accurate measurements and the right tools because net is unforgiving. Once you have 5M net and lining, pin pattern to fabric, making sure the net's grain runs straight. Cut slowly. Small snags ruin drape. Mark notches for shoulder, side seams, and center front. From here, transfer darts and neckline shapes to the lining as well, so you can stitch lining and net in parallel. Make sure seams include 5 cm allowance to prevent edge fraying. You now assemble the bodice. Sew lining darts and press them flat. This gives structure under the sheer net. Once done, baste net to lining at shoulders and sides to check fit. If adjustments are needed, alter the lining first and rebaste. For sleeves, ease 0. 1 cm into the armhole slowly, using a stay stitch to prevent stretching. Make sure to use a fine needle and narrow zigzag or French seam for net to avoid visible raw edges. Try the Kurti and refine fit. You finish by hemming and refining edges. A narrow rolled hem or bias tape works best on net, so press gently and stitch slowly. Add trims or embroidery onto the net before final top stitch to avoid distorting seams. Once hems and sleeve finishes are complete, press the garment from the lining side. If you spot puckering, stop and fix it. Reduce machine tension, enlarge stitch length slightly, or use a lightweight stabilizer under the net. This prevents pulling and preserves the sheer look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.